Got an IWB file for an interactive whiteboard lesson? This contains educational content created for smartboard interactive displays. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to use these smart notebook files. Preventative action. I strongly suggest keeping a universal file reader on standby. It often gives you access to the contents even when the IWB format fails. More on this later. And .IWB file is most often encountered by educators and students using smartboard interactive whiteboards. Users search for this extension to open, edit, or share lesson plans, presentations, and collaborative notes created with the Smart Notebooks software, which is central to the interactive classroom experience. The .IWB format is a container, often a zip archive, holding various assets like XML files for structure, images, PNG, JPG, and vector graphics. This component-based design allows for rich interactive content and makes it easier to manage complex lesson materials within a single portable file. In most cases, IWB files work best with Smart Notebook created by Smart Technologies. Windows allows basic viewing, but true content manipulation requires a specialized application. Windows provides limited slide detail, so meaningful changes depend on dedicated tools. Let's verify the file's compatibility against known readers. Right-click the IWB file and select Open With. Test Smart Notebook if it appears. If not, choose another program. Different software handles the IWB format uniquely. When your IWB file does not open, it is usually a small issue. Since the IWB file requires specific software, we must confirm the setup. Let's quickly review these key details on our preparedness checklist. First, opening in Smart Notebook. Install Smart Notebook software from smarttech.com, which provides free basic features and full features with subscription. Launch Smart Notebook and use File then Open to load the IWB lesson file. The software displays all lesson pages with interactive elements ready for classroom instruction or content review. Next, using alternative IWB software. Open IWB files in compatible interactive whiteboard software from other manufacturers including Promethean Active Inspire or Open Sankore. The common file format ensures basic compatibility across platforms, though some advanced features may render differently. Test lesson files in your specific software before classroom use. Finally, exporting to PDF or images. Use Smart Notebooks file. Then export feature to convert IWB lessons to PDF for distribution or PNG images for screenshot sharing. PDF export preserves lesson layouts for printing and digital distribution, while image export enables embedding lesson content in other educational materials and websites. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. Because the specialized software couldn't access your file, you need a dedicated universal solution. FileMagick is the one I always recommend. Visit filemagick.com for details. If you found the instructions clear, please like the video and subscribe for new content every week.